you love to play. Oh, you love to play. Don't your comments won't relay. Sign this on my page for you. Oh my God, he changed. Young life, I can't see back karma. I just need some brains so I could keep myself in order.
Okay, hey you guys, every time I think I don't have something to vlog, I literally was just trying to catch the moon. So you're gonna see the spirit. If you look at the end of the video, it's real quick, like you see it move. But I screenshot it so you and pointed out. So it's on the right of the screen. You can see the eyes, you can see the nose, you can see the teeth. Like, if you don't believe in it, all well and good, but for those who do and for those who see it, and those who don't. But just say I was a lift on my way to work for a ghost. Hey you guys, so my SD card for my navigation for my map to be updated. I'm pretty sure it was in the mail yesterday, but I don't check my mail. But the manager of the property, like when packages come, he likes to get them out of the office. So I was actually looking at the status today, and it don't show like an update or anything. I'm breaking. I don't show an update or anything. So here is it. This is my map version 13. This is the last update that they said they're gonna do, which is kind of scary because I don't plan on trading in my car. So I'm going to read the instructions. And update my map. And that's what it looks like. I know y'all like, girl, are you excited? I am. I am. I'm extremely excited. So I'm excited. So after I eat, we'll go down to the car and install it. Y'all excited? You should be. Because I'm excited. And y'all my play cousins. So we celebrate everybody, each other's stuff together. You let me know you had a new baby, I'm going to tell you congratulations. You let me know you're getting married, I'm going to tell you congratulations. I'm going to celebrate you. This is huge. Okay, hey you guys. Oh, I look tired. My hair look dry as hell. That nasty ass gel. I ain't bald headed, I promise I'm not. Anyway, so this is what the map looks like before I update it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the process. I don't think y'all want to see all of that because I gotta put in activation codes and all that anyway. Baby, I look sleepy, probably because I am. Yeah, so once I put all those in and get everything situated, I'm gonna show you the updated look. Hopefully it looks better than it looks now, because I promise you it looks like the very first computers from 1959. So let's go ahead and get this updated and get stuff going, and I'll check back in with y'all in a minute. Child, this shit look the same. $100 for what? December Capricorns, we hit different. We don't have red flags. Oh shit. That's a lie. I don't even post. I ain't got no goddamn ex. What the fuck is this? Cousins, you can barely see me because of course I am headed to work. But I just came on to tell you guys right quick. It is late at night. And it is 77 degrees. Yeah. Oh my God. When I say it's hot, it is hot. So please, 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 this summer, please, make sure you are keeping hydrated. Make sure you are, if you don't have to go outside, please do not go outside. Do not roam around in the heat, because baby, what I tell you, woo, it's hot. When I walked outside, I was like, God damn. And I always have on a jacket because in our building it's always cold, and I'm always cold anyway. So whoa, like sitting in my car right now, I'm like, Jesus, it's so hot. It is extremely hot. Man. Oh well. I just want to tell y'all that it is hotter than Satan toenails out here. God damn, it's hot.
Classically trained, soul food raised. At my restaurant.
When your kid think he too old to get a whooping, what you say?
Hey, relax.
What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say?
Relax. What is going on here? Hey, look.
You were talking under your breath.
I ain't even
Talking under your breath.
Come on, fam. Come on, fam. Come on, come on, come on. Relax. 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 Be cool. Relax. Relax.
Mumble it again. Mumble it again.
Mumble, yo. Like,
Look, you trying so hard now. Mumble it again. Did you grab the
No.
other parent? He grabbed the bell. He tried to fight me.
No, I ain't even do none of that. I ain't do none of that. I'm just vibing out, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling out, you know what I'm saying? Kicking it, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my God. Oh my God. You so full of it. Be quiet if I give you something to cry for.
Appreciate it.
Cheers. Is this microwave safe?
Wanted to help other children lose weight. I thought, what a great thing to do with your family. I did not see a dark side of him. I only saw the good side of him. Just I think any individual would think that
That's not the lady who thought
needs to be a further look.
he was like, you're pretty. That's not the lady who she was like, he said I'm pretty.
Yeah, that is.
So wait, if he said that to you before you introduced him to your daughters,
Status as a celebrity.
that's weird. That's weird. That's suspicious. Look. Nothing. Why is that red? Oh. You know what? I know God be like, I'm about sick of you. I'm about sick of you. Hear me out. Hear me out. Just hear me out. Mix it together. It's bomb. I'm telling you, mix it together. It's bomb. Some Cheetos hot fries and some Funyuns. Mix it together. Hey, my cousins. It is Friday, the end of the week. Are y'all excited? You happy about it? I'm going today to get my car aligned. Oh, you little. I just realized what you did. Bruh, come on. Y'all, one of y'all need to move. Great. Now I'm gonna miss my light. Anyway, so I'm going to get my car aligned. Y'all know how it is with these this traffic. Like, I just realized what one truck did that was in one lane. Now this little one don't want to move fast. Child, what you doing? What in the entire fuck is going on? Bruh, what the fuck? What in the entire hell? Like, literally, what in the entire hell? The fuck? Learn how to drive. Like, I swear to God. What's wrong with people? And it's men. They be quick to say women can't drive. Y'all can't drive. The fuck? How you try to pull over in the last minute? Anyway, so as I was saying, I'm going to get my car alignment, and I'm gonna try to hit some places, and I'm also try to hit big lots because I need to get some storage boxes because I am definitely running out of space. I also need to go through some clothes because it's a lot of bullshit. Damn, I could have been gone. These motherfuckers can't drive. Okay. It's 2 lanes, right? Two. The truck, the painting truck, was in the left lane when we were at the red light. They were in the left lane. I'm in the right lane. Got in the right lane specifically because I didn't want to be behind the damn painting truck. The painting truck moves over to the fucking right lane. So everybody is going slow. Like, right. So yeah, I'm going to get my car aligned because I kept saying like I'm gonna go get it aligned, and I keep putting it off. So I'm gonna go do that. I was going to go to Ollie's, but I don't know how long. Once I go get my car aligned, I'm on my side of town. I'm not coming back over on this side. Nonetheless, I don't know, maybe I might. I doubt it. But yeah, but I want to go to big lots as well because I want to get some containers because I need to go through the stuff. Like, it just seems like I have stuff everywhere, and it seems like big lots is a little cheaper than Walmart when it comes down to like the containers that to pack stuff up. So I need to do that. What else? Oh, and I'm going to give me some juicy crab today because I deserve it. I want it. And I also need to figure out what I want to do with my hair. Like, bruh. It's just crazy to me. Like, really, really crazy how these people be driving and then be looking at you crazy. You are in the whole motherfucking right lane trying to make a left turn. You cross my lane to get into the turning lanes, and I'm blowing the horn at you and you looking at me like I'm crazy when you're turning from the right lane on the other side of me. Wow. And the car before that, like, they just doing 20. Okay, like, at this point, I get everybody scared to I guess, I'm assuming everybody's scared to drive. They don't want to go a certain speed. Okay, cool, I get that. I understand that. I can respect that. But when you realize and notice that you are the holdup and it's a funeral procession behind you, move out the way. So she end up turning. Okay, cool. Turn. You got a whole turning lane. You slamming on brakes in the left lane that I'm in and passing most of your turning lane to turn. Because you watching me. Turn, stupid. Like, if you just go ahead and turn, it wouldn't be an issue. But no, you be doing the most. Oh. Yeah, that's a nice car. At this point, it's summertime and people losing their goddamn mind with the way that they drive it. dude get into the turning lane. He able to turn. I can't go nowhere because y'all done held me up, then caused me to miss my light by going slow. Can I go, little buddy, or no? What we doing? I can't see what you doing. Oh, okay. I couldn't tell. I ain't know what you was doing. They need to give y'all some signs. Like, why y'all ain't got no goddamn signs out here? They was looking at me and thought I didn't see them. And I put my phone on there. I ain't put my phone on there. I put my phone up like I was recording them something. I see you, stupid. My tent ain't that dark. I can see you. He was trying to come over too. That's how I was like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? And it's men. I know y'all be like, women can't drive. Bruh, y'all can't drive. Literally. Clearly. Because all that whole hoopla, everybody driving was me. Every last one of them. Every last one of them. The trucks was full. It was full of men. Nobody helping you. Nobody directing nothing. Anyway, let me see how much. Well, I know how much it's going to cost to get my car aligned, but I just want to see how long it's going to take. Hopefully it doesn't take long. They seem to do pretty good and be pretty fast. So I just need an alignment. That's all we doing. Get this alignment and go. Because my car be having her ass swing to the side when I be pulling in and shit. And when I be backing up, I can tell the difference. So she needs an alignment. I already had her tires in line and balance. So we need to get the alignment done. And after that, I don't need an oil change until next month. But per mileage, it'll be coming up here quickly in the month. So after the oil change, because I'm gonna stick with the people who do good by her as far as like oil change and stuff, so which will be Walmart by my job. I'm gonna stick beside them till they give me a reason not to, but they've been actually pretty consistent. So I'm gonna go to them probably by the end of the month. I'll probably be pretty much over the mileage, and it'll be close time to, oil change. So the end of the month I'll do that, and then either after my oil change or during or right after, probably around the same time, I'll go back to the people that I'm going to today and get a tune up, and then have them test my battery, because it's been how long has it been since I had my car? I think it's been like 2 years. Yes. 2 years. I think it's been 2 years. November will be 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. So let's go do that and go pick up some juicy crab. I might find out what. Oh, Ty probably sleep, because I know he go to work tonight. He start his job tonight. So he'll probably sleep. So he go to work. Well, let me call and see. Some of his other food in there, because I already went grocery shopping. But I need to get on my exercise game, because I haven't done that either. Child, slacking. I think I've been slacking for a good 2 weeks. Ooh. Yeah, for a good 2 weeks. I don't think I've been doing my exercise situation. So I need to do that. Kick that back into gear. You go to goddamn fucking paint truck. Bitch ass. I need to kick that into gear and get that back together and get that back on the schedule, because while I got the chance to work on my body, I need to do that. And I also want to go ahead and get all like my cravings and my little eatings out of the way and be strictly on salad and no meat. So yeah, and I also need to go ahead and look for another lingerie. I did go look at this piece that I saw in Walmart. I found one, but I don't know. I don't know if I want like a whole piece type situation lingerie, or I want the bra set and the underwear. I probably do a whole piece, like a teddy. I don't know. I'm trying to envision it in my head. So I'm gonna look on Fashion Nova. I don't know if I want to look on Shein, but Shein hasn't done me wrong either. Shein usually send it like, here you go, girl. So I don't know, maybe. Oh, but those are 2 pieces. Those are 2 pieces. Yeah. So maybe I'll look at Shein tonight and look at Fashion Nova. I haven't in a while. Or probably go to City Trend. I need to go there too. Because I still need to do a spot for them. But it wasn't nothing in there for me to do no spot with. So, stuff will get done. It'll get done. Oh, excuse me. It'll get done. So, yeah. With that being said, next time we check in, I'll be, I don't know, maybe at Juicy Crab. I don't think y'all want to see me talk about getting alignment. So we'll do that. I'll be back. We're back. Yep. Hello. And pick up for Angel. I love your hair color.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. My baby needs to be washed so bad. Food secured. All right, that's it. I'm going home to stuff my face and finish all these vlogs and videos I got in my phone for y'all. PSA word of advice: if you're not a good liar, don't do it. Be upfront with your people. They'll respect you more. Because if you trying, if you trying to play a person that's helping you, you're gonna end up losing in the long run. I guarantee you, you're gonna end up losing in the long run. Girl, that's all. So, with that being said, make sure the people that's got your back, that's going above and beyond for you. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you, girl. Make sure the people that's going above and beyond for you, making sure you 100 with them, because I promise you, you will come out in the end. I just started going to this place that I got my brakes done. This is my 3rd time going. I just went and got an alignment because my car, I noticed when I would park and how my car would have a slant to it. So I knew she needed an alignment because I already had my oil change, my tires rotated, my brakes done. So literally, yeah, you supposed to heal. Literally, I knew it was something else besides that. So he looked at the computer and he was like, "Oh, you been here before?" And I was like, "Yeah, this is like my 3rd time." And he was like, "Oh, I really appreciate the business." And I was like, "Yeah, y'all do good work." And so he was like, "Well, for that, I'll give you a discount." Baby, I love the stable coin. Thank you. I will take it. So, of course, I'm going to constantly take my business back to them, especially with them doing good work. Found out how much it was going to be to do a tune-up, because I'm definitely going to need one upcoming soon. So, I might have to push it back, because I was going to do it at the end of the month, but I might have to do it in the middle of the month now. Wow. But, with that being said, y'all, be 100 with the people that's 100 with you. Because you going to look around and you keep fucking off and you keep messing with them people and you going to end up losing them. That's all I got to say. I love you the mostest because you're definitely the dopest in real life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Lunch special.